Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to join Roblox communities on Xbox in 2025, now that groups have officially been renamed to communities. Once you're part of a community, it will automatically sync across all your devices. To get started on Xbox, open the Microsoft Edge app on your console and head to roblox.com. Sign in using the same Roblox account you use on Xbox. This ensures your progress and membership stay connected. After logging in, look for the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the site to open the menu. From there, tap on Communities. If you don't see a search option right away, select More Communities, then type the name of the community you want to join. Once you find it in the results, select it and click Join Community. Roblox communities are fully cross platform, meaning once you join, you'll be connected with players on Xbox, PC, mobile, and even VR. You can join up to 100 communities, so there's plenty of room to explore different interests. If the join button doesn't appear, refresh the page or restart Edge and try again. Looking ahead, Roblox is rolling out new community features like forums, better creator tools, and improved financial reporting, making communities more interactive and easier to manage. These updates are designed to make Roblox more social and organized for everyone.